This is ANN News Brief.
Moroccan King Mohammed VI has issued instructions on Sunday that emergency medical aid and humanitarian be sent to Lebanon following last week's tragic explosion at the port of Beirut. He has instructed that a military field hospital be deployed to Beirut to provide emergency medical care to the injured. The field hospital is made up of 100 persons, including 14 doctors from various specialties. The aid is not limited to medical supplies, but includes food products as well. It also includes tents and blankets and preventive medical equipment against COVID-19 masks, like mats, vessels, coats, and hydroalcoholic gel. King Mohammed VI expressed compassion and solidarity with Lebanon in these difficult times. Beirut was rocked by a massive explosion on Tuesday, causing at least 150 deaths and nearly 5,000 injuries. Schools in Nigeria have finally reopened after 4 months of closure induced by COVID-19. But the catch is only final year students are allowed to resume lessons to prepare for their examinations. COVID-19 prevention measures are in place and every student is carefully screened before being allowed to enter classrooms. To ensure safety from contracting the disease, social distancing would also be enforced. No food will be served at schools. Students have to take their food from home. Schools are also advising any student who is sick to stay at home. Lagos State Education Commissioner Folashade Adefisayo expressed satisfaction at the level of compliance at the schools after leading a team of monitors to different schools in the state. The government says it is still studying the situation to determine when all students other than final year students can also return to class. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Uganda Minister for Kampala, Betty Amongi, has launched a mask distribution exercise in the capital city, where local councils have been given more than 200,000 masks for distribution. Amongi has told the public wearing masks is essential for protection against contracting coronavirus. The minister says Kampala is the country's epicenter and is responsible for 90% of the COVID-19 spread and to the current death numbers in the country. More than 2 million masks have been allocated to all the 5 divisions in the Kampala metropolitan area for distribution to every household. That is ANN News Brief at 10. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.